Welcome to Expert Answers. Today's topic goes out to all of you business owners who have just been too busy actually running your businesses to worry about careful accounting. If you're like Fia here, then accounting is one of the last things on your mind while dealing with the day-to-day minutia of staying profitable. Your accounting work gets left behind because you'd much rather stick to doing the actual thing you've decided to do. First off, that's entirely normal. Good accountants spend years acquiring the knowledge and expertise necessary to tackle complicated financial matters. We know business owners have devoted their time to acquiring different knowledge and abilities. We also know how quickly time passes and how easy it is to let those financial records get out of hand. Maybe when you first started out, you couldn't afford an accountant. But if the days, months, or even years have passed and you're behind on your business accounting, there's really only one thing to do. No, Fia, that'll only make matters worse. You can take all the stress and uncertainty out of your backed up bookkeeping by bringing it to expert accountants who are ready and willing to take on a project. At Fix It Accounting, we don't care if you're 5 years behind in your bookkeeping and filing your business taxes. We're equipped for any challenge. Even if the IRS is already involved, we can act fast. We'll work with you to let you know what information we need and how you can get it. Many accountants are hesitant to delve back more than a year or two, but we'll start from the beginning with you and get you to a better place, so that the next time you think about your business accounting, it only brings you peace of mind. Call Fix It Accounting today. We have the licensing, experience, and knowledge to take all the stress out of your finances. Your initial consultation is free with no commitment, and we're happy to help.